dispense system. This is your manifold. This is your diaphragm pump. Left hand side is your regulator for the diaphragm pump. Right hand side regulator goes to your flush pot. So you can put air to the system. The catalyst pump is attached with a pin. You want to pull it and start hand priming. The catalyst will come through the jug through the clear line. You'll see it. It should come up. Keep priming it. You'll see it come out the back where the relief valve is. Catalyst will come up through the tube and dump back into the bucket and recirculate. Once you see all the air is out of the line, you keep pumping, all the air goes get out of the line, you're going to lift the ball valve. Keep pumping until you build about 100 pounds of pressure. Once you get to 100 pounds of pressure, you can put your pin back in. You're going to have to line it up with the hole. And that's that. So we're going to leave it out for now. We're going to prime up the resin pump. So we're going to turn the system on. System's going to start pumping. Your suction hose will be attached to those ball valves. So you guys wanted two, so one's going to be here and the other's going to be on this side. You want both of them open when you're priming. Once everything's primed up to the gun, the system will start to slow down. Once it comes to a complete stop, the system's primed up all the way to the gun. Once it's primed all the way up to the gun, we can put our catalyst pin back in. And now we're ready to shoot. So you want to make sure you got acetone in your reservoir. Turn your regulator to probably about 20 psi, 10, 15, somewhere in that range. Now we're going to go to the gun. Ball valve gun. Up is off, down is to dispensed. Red is going to be your flush, so acetone is going to come through. Air is your purge. You got air purge and acetone coming through to clean out your static mixer. Dispense. Off. On. Off. These are interchangeable, so you can get a medium sized one, or we have the long static mixers. You're able to adjust the height on this by unscrewing the bolts just a little bit and raising it up or down to where you need it. With that being said, one person's going to have to hold the hose to help you bring the hose up to lock it into place. This hose is not very flexible, they're pretty thick. So at the end of the day, you're going to want to bleed air purge and acetone your static mixer out. And then you should be able to reuse that next day. As far as the system, end of the day, if you're going to reuse it, keep it primed up. I would just dump the catalyst pressure on the relief valve. You don't want to leave catalyst pressured overnight, which is as simple as just dumping the pressure. Catalyst will dump back into your catalyst jug, and then you can just take the air off the system, and you'll still be under pressure at the gun.